Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called eCommerce prompts. So this will use ChatGPT to generate prompts for the ultimate e-commerce. So I will show you how it works. So you can generate prompts for free. You can select a content type. Let's say you have a homepage headline or homepage content, about us content, product title, product description you have to write. Let's say you have to write a homepage headline for a website. I'm going to say homepage headline. So what is your brand about? I'm going to say the brand, my brand name is Give Me Challenge. What are the product you are selling? Whether it is just meat dog treats or whatever. Name a competitor brand you aspire to be like. I'm going to say opportunity desk. Industry is do I have that industry here? Gadgets, personal care, beauty products, book and media I will put. Then offering, what do I offer? I am offering exclusive access to the website. It's about innovation. What product are you selling? Subscription to opportunities. Now I'm going to say generate. So this is the e-commerce prompt. It's generated. So it's asking me the email. So using this is the prompt for ChatGPT. After you click generate, so behave like an e-commerce expert and create a homepage headline for a book and a media product called subscription to opportunities from the brand Give Me Challenge. So you get this prompt from here. The same can be used in ChatGPT to generate the required output. So similarly, you can do that using various tools, various categories and content type. So there are the prompt ideas that you can see. Behave like an e-commerce expert, and you can replace it with this following content. So there are thousands of content there. Behave like an e-commerce expert here. For a WhatsApp campaign, create a campaign. All those things are available here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.